Here's some packaging design trivia. Subscribe. Which company introduced the Tetra Pak design? Is it A, Tetra Pak, B, Unilever, C, Nestle, or D, Coca-Cola? The correct answer is A, Tetra Pak. Which brand uses a red can for soda? Is it A, Coca-Cola, B, Pepsi, C, 7-Up, or D, Dr. Pepper? The correct answer is A, Coca-Cola. Which iconic candy uses a resealable pouch? Is it A, M&M's, B, Reese's Pieces, C, Skittles, or D, Butterfinger? The correct answer is A, M&M's. What concept emphasizes minimalist design and packaging? Is it A, maximalism, B, Baroque style, C, minimalism, or D, futurism? The correct answer is C, minimalism. Which type of container is typically used for yogurt? Is it A, jar, B, bag, C, bottle, or D, cup? The correct answer is D, cup. What material is commonly used for flexible packaging? Is it A, glass, B, plastic, C, paper, or D, metal? The correct answer is B, plastic. What process ensures products are not harmed during transport? Is it A, bulk delivery, B, insurable shipping, C, protective packaging, or D, rapid dispatch? The correct answer is C, protective packaging. What type of closure uses a screw mechanism? Is it A, snap lid, B, screw cap, C, cork stopper, or D, twist tie? The correct answer is B, screw cap. Which beverage is often sold in tetrahedral packaging? Is it A, soda, B, water, C, juice, or D, tea? The correct answer is juice. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.